Thank you.
Could you pass the mustard? Oh, it fell off the edge of the table.
No.
I get it. Oh, it's in my knee.
Do I need to pick this up?
Yes.
Oh, my.
Oh my goodness. This is just embarrassing.
Oh my goodness, did I forget to wear the underwear?
Silly girl.
Eileen? Now I left your underwear in the dryer.
Oh.
Remember to put it on before you go out, honey. You don't want to walk around without your underwear, especially with what you wear.
Honey, remember, our child is 16. Remember to tell her to put on underwear. Remember to tell her where the underwear is and the state it is within the laundry system. When you're talking to your wife, don't forget to be real condescending about it.
Don't get me wrong, Harry. We're delighted with the fish in the heel idea that you brought us last week.
Well then, order 1,000.
It's just...
Hey, what's wrong with that?
No,
You
wait,
seem
no,
like you're stalling here.
No, I am 100% behind fish heels.
Okay.
I mean, behind fish heels. You smell burning?
No.
It's not burning.
Thank you, Claudette, for finally making it into the office.
Thank you. How many of these did we buy?
I have 44 gross.
Ooh.
It's about 1,000.
Give or take.
I'm gonna take 10 of them myself and bring them home. Do we get a employee discount?
I'll have to run the numbers.
For you, Claudette, I think you will. You know what? There's a baby marlin in those.
No.
Baby marlin.
Is this what?
Baby marlins are the sexiest thing I ever seen.
Wonderful.
Oh, look at them flirt with each other. Baby, you're rancid. Shake your ass. Oh, no.
Normally there's music, but
the
apparently
fishy
there's
smell
not.
is great. I'm fucking going on.
You.
Take a couple of...
Honey, where have you been all night?
I was at the fish market.
You smell like tuna, okay? I know where the fuck you've been. You've been to that skanky place.
I was getting this technically marlin.
At the skanky place again?
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Hey guys, I'll walk away from the queue for 2 minutes and you take my spot.
I wonder what he's gonna pray for.
And the answer is to have working limbs.
Yes.
And not a degenerative spinal condition. Dick.
All right.